If you watch this channel for a while, you know I'm a massive fan of MagSafe, but this is a new system from a company called Lamicall. It's sort of a hybrid MagSafe system, which is sort of complemented with a lock mechanism. So the case, first of all, is this really nice quality case. Shockproof, got some sort of reinforced edges on here. Feels nice, got a nice matte feel to it. Extremely nice case, actually. This is their custom lock system on the back here. These cases are also compatible with MagSafe, so it charges through here. They've got magnets on this, so it actually magnetizes to this as well. So it's sort of a half magnet, half lock system. This circle has got like a custom lock in here, like a little tiny gap, which actually locks to this mechanism. So it snaps to it, and then this can hold up to 25 kilograms. So strong, that is not coming off there, and that's what I mean by lock. We turn it to take it off. And if you look closely in here, it's got sort of some wires which sort of lock into the little gap that's in the back of this circle. I'll put a bit of a demonstration on the screen so you can see what I mean. It uses a combination of MagSafe and that twist lock system. Together, it is absolutely fantastic, and this is on Kickstarter at the moment. It'll be coming soon. I'm pretty sure it's fully backed already, so you'll see this in the shops very soon, but I'm really impressed with this. Now, the complete kit is around £200 in the UK, which, to be honest, you get all of this stuff in the kit, and I'll show you, I'll go through it all, and that's quite good value actually. You don't have to use the case. In the kit does come this lock system, which actually sticks to your phone or whatever device you're using with 3M sticky, so you can sort of measure it out with this and it will go on the back of your phone like that. But you've got here a wrist strap, so you can have this phone on your wrist and go for runs with that on your wrist if you want to. There is a stand which you can put on a wall. You stick it anywhere with this 3M plastic, so anywhere you've got this stand, the phone sort of locks to, and you can have that around the stand. There is this bike holder. I really like the bike holder. I've used this on my scooter and it seemed to work brilliantly. We can get that on there. It locks on straight away, and then to get it off, you just sort of twist 45 degrees and it unlocks. So easy. It works in both portrait and landscape mode as well. I'm really impressed at how simple and how well this works. The car mount comes with a suction cup, and it comes with an air vent mount. If you want to use either one, you can. There's a tripod that you can use for TikTok, portrait mode, or you can turn it around landscape for YouTube as well. It's got an extendable selfie stick, tripod, and it comes with a built-in Bluetooth remote, so you can start the recordings remotely. This is so simple, but so effective. I thought I'd found the perfect ecosystem with the MagBack products that I'd tested over the last few weeks. This is good. Built-in USB cables, so we can charge these devices as well via USB-C. So these are actually fast charging, MagSafe compatible, all work perfectly and will fast charge your devices. If you're after a solution for mounting your phone in all sorts of different situations, this ultimate kit pretty much covers you for any kind of scenario you could find yourself in. Car, vlogging, photography, charging at a desk, hand strap, backpack mount, bike, scooter. Wherever you are, you've got a mounting option to stick your phone to and charge. It's phenomenal. So that's it. That's the MagSafe hybrid system from Lamicall. All sorts of mounts for millions of different scenarios, so you're covered on everything. Really like it. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Please make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. But until next time though, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.